Would you pay $3,000 for an investing course that promises to make you rich? What if I told you these courses are a money grab, and most students end up losing money instead? Stop paying for expensive investing courses. They are not the secret to wealth. In fact, they could do more harm than good. Today, I'm exposing one of the biggest scams in the investing world, overpriced courses, and why you should avoid them like a high-interest personal loan. Singaporean investors, this is a must-watch. You're about to discover how to learn investing for free, avoid being scammed by fake gurus, and build wealth the smart long-term way. Make sure you stay till the end, because I'll reveal the best investing books that will teach you more than any overpriced course ever will. Like this video, subscribe to Wealth for You, and let's get started. Section 1. How Fake Gurus Operate. The truth about investing courses. You've seen them everywhere. Those flashy ads screaming, "I made $10 million by 30. Want to learn how? They flaunt their sports cars, luxury condos, and exotic vacations, making you believe they struck gold through investing. But here's the real question. Did they actually get rich from investing? Or did they get rich from selling courses to people like you? These so-called gurus promise unrealistic returns, claiming you can 5x or even 10x your money if you follow their proven strategy. But let's get real. Even Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, averages just 20% per year. If these gurus could truly make 50% returns every year, why are they spending time selling courses instead of quietly compounding their own wealth? And let's talk about the price tag. These courses cost anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000, yet they mostly recycle free information available on YouTube, books, and blogs. Instead of making you rich, they're making themselves rich, off your hard-earned money. Worse still, many of these courses push students into overhyped stocks. Take C Limited, for example. Some gurus were hyping it up at $300 plus per share, convincing students to invest. What happened next? It crashed below $40, wiping out 5 to 6 figures of hard-earned savings for those who followed blindly. The biggest red flag? When someone tells you it's easy to get rich. If it were truly that easy, wouldn't everyone in Singapore be a millionaire by now? Stay sharp, stay skeptical, and most importantly, don't fall for the hype. Section 2. The smart way to learn investing. What you should do instead. Stop wasting thousands on expensive courses. Start self-learning with books that have stood the test of time. If you truly want to master investing, skip the overpriced courses and dive into the wisdom of legendary investors. These books contain insights that are far more valuable than any $3,000 course. And the best part? Each one costs less than a meal at a nice restaurant in Singapore. Here are 3 all-time best investing books that will teach you everything you need to know. 1 Up on Wall Street, by Peter Lynch. This book simplifies investing and teaches you how to spot great companies before they become big winners. Lynch's approach is so practical that anyone, even beginners, can understand and apply it. The Snowball, by Warren Buffett. This is the ultimate deep dive into Buffett's investing philosophy, the power of patience, long-term thinking, and buying strong businesses at good prices. If you want to learn from the world's greatest investor, this is the book to read. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, by Philip Fisher. This book focuses on how to analyze companies for sustainable, long-term growth. Fisher's strategies help investors avoid hype and focus on businesses that truly have the potential to grow over decades. The truth is, you don't need to spend thousands to learn investing. These books, and free resources online, will teach you more than any overpriced course ever will. Self-learning not only saves you money, but it also helps you make better, smarter investment decisions. Section 3. The Real Secrets to Wealth Building. If you want to be a successful investor, forget the hype and focus on what actually works. The path to financial success isn't about chasing overnight riches, it's about smart, disciplined investing. Here's what truly builds wealth. Be patient and delay gratification. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You don't need to make 50% returns overnight. Even 8 to 10% per year can turn you into a millionaire over time. Compound interest works best when you give it years, not months. Think long-term, not short-term. Many investors lose money because they jump into hot stocks, hoping for quick profits. Instead, focus on solid long-term investments. In Singapore, REITs, ETFs, and blue-chip stocks offer stable growth without unnecessary risk. Build a cash flow mindset, not just net worth. Instead of relying on stocks that might go up, focus on passive income from dividends. Singapore's REITs are a great example. Many provide 5 to 7% annual dividends, giving you steady cash flow regardless of market ups and downs. Keep investing simple. You don't need complex stock-picking strategies to build wealth. Investing in low-cost ETFs like the S&P 500 ETF or Singapore's STI ETF already outperforms most investors over time. The best part? You don't need to spend a single cent on an expensive course to learn this. Everything you need is already available for free. If you're willing to be patient, think long-term, and stay consistent. Final takeaway. Invest smart, not in hype. Singapore investors, don't fall for the hype. The real path to wealth isn't hidden behind a $3,000 course. It's built on self-learning, patience, and smart investing. Save your money. Learn from legendary investors instead. Delay gratification. Wealth isn't built overnight but with time and discipline. Invest wisely. Instead of spending on a course, put that money into assets that actually grow. What do you think? Have you ever paid for an investing course? Was it worth it? Let's discuss in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like this video to support the channel, subscribe to Wealth for You for more smart investing tips, and share this video with a friend who needs to hear this. See you in the next video. Invest smart, stay patient, and let your money work for you. Stay smart, stay invested.